Hi, my name is Johnny Rivera. I work for Western Union. I am the telecom manager for Latin America and the Caribbean. The company is doing money transfer business worldwide, and we are using the technology to do that. I was called to participate in this project, which is to refresh the legacy system that we have in the company for faxing. That was an in-house application that needs many management support and resources to keep running, right? And unfortunately, we are no experts in this type of systems, right? And that was taking a lot of time from the team, and also wasting a lot of time and resources because many occasions the faxes could not go through, and it was because we didn't know what was happening with the system, right? And this is why we started looking for a solution, and this is at the end of the process of researching, Concord comes to the table and we start looking for that for your solution. The old systems, as you mentioned, Fax and eFax, was an in-house legacy system that I was called by my boss to participate in the project in order to improve the ways that we handle fax. Either way, right, the idea was to take a look into the system and see if it was possible to upgrade the system, the old system, and try to make it up to speed. But at the end of the process of analyzing the systems, the decision was made to try to bring another new system. It can be totally new or a third-party company to help us in sending and receiving faxes. Of course, the third option that we tried to look was to upgrade the system, the fax and the fax. And we realized that the system itself was really old and it requires a lot of investment to upgrade them and put it up to speed. And of course, we need to train more people internally to manage the system itself. Based on that, we ran some numbers, and also we look which it was in the market for provisioning a third-party faxing. And at the end, your name as a company came over, and we start talking to you and questions what type of service you provide, which was the footprint that you serve, and of course we do some tests, and through that process we decided to go to Concord because that meets our needs, and we started the relation that way, and we thought that it was a great company to work with. The idea was, as I mentioned before, to manage all the fax infrastructure with a single company or a single infrastructure. As I commented, we used to have different systems to serve different clients, and that was causing a lot of challenges for our company. And at the end, if that decision was made to go to Concord, and the idea was to use Concord globally in order to facilitate the way that we send faxes around the world. It was a totally positive change for our company. The users started loving the way that we send and receive faxing. It was an easy way. In the previous system, we used to have a thin client in the desktops for our customers, and of course that represented a challenge because we have to install the active client and manage those configurations. And right now, using Concord, sending and receiving emails is an easy way for everybody. And of course, our company used email as one of the main media for communicating between the employees. And for that reason, that change has been really good for our environment. Yes, the integration with our systems become really easy, and people are happy to use that features that you bring up to the company. Particularly because that gives us more visibility what's happening when we receive and send a fax, particularly for the settlement report and all the integration with the AS400. Because in the old system we have some blinds in terms of what is happening when we receive and transmit faxes. With the support that you give us, and you are the expert in these cases, we could manage better way any issue that come up in the transmission and the transmission. And also the integration with the system is handled really easy, and people are happy to have that visibility and this ability to send and receive faxes from the system itself. The standardization has given us a great tool for integration of our systems to fax, and other departments besides the department that we have been working so far are interested to continue integrating more systems into Concord and rolling out some applications that are there in the field that they see that it can be an important improvement for our customers using Concord, right? So I would say that challenge has been away from the previous system using Concord.